Okay guys, check out this 2017 Subaru Forester Limited 2.5 motor. Rebuilt title, damage was over here in the front. Damage was right here. Got pictures I can show you. Tires. Oh, got 81,597 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, their Eyesite package. So you can see. Sorry, the sun glare is hard to see this. Backup camera. Weather floor mats, Harman & Kardon sound system, power seats, big sunroof. Power lift gate. No spare tire on this. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.